After cleaning, it is the crushing and screening section, which uses the most water and is the most important section. 1 ton of raw materials uses about 3 tons of water. The larger the amount of water, the cleaner the extraction and screening of starch. In order to reduce the amount of fresh water, external water can be used to enter the screening section for recycling. Taking the curved mesh extrusion mill as an example, the cyclic elutriation process, a large amount of water is repeatedly circulated, and the starch and fibers are separated by sufficient elutriation. This cycle is an internal cycle of back and forth, and there is no increase the amount of fresh water, different from the general stirring and filtering. Where does the circulating water used in the screening section come from? First, overflow water from the cyclone station. Second, suction and filter water of dehydrator. Third, condensate from dryer. Fourth, squeeze water of potato residue press. In areas with shortage of water resources and strict environmental protection requirements, making full use of circulating water can save a lot of water resources. Under normal circumstances, if external circulating water is not used, more than 3 tons of fresh water should be used. Using external circulating water, 1 ton of raw materials can only use about 1 ton of fresh water.